What is the least possible value of x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 4 plus 2019, where x is a real number? So to start out, I'm just going to see, I need to minimize that. So I'm going to see about how I'm going to do that. So I want to expand this in some way, but I'm going to expand it in a way that's going to be convenient. So you can try different combinations of these and kind of see what patterns seem enticing. But if we multiply x plus 1 times x plus 4 and x plus 2 times x plus 3, what we're going to see is, so x plus 1 times x plus 4, we're going to get x squared plus 5x plus 4. And then x plus 2 times x plus 3, x squared plus 5x plus 6, and then we have the 2019. So something that I noticed that's interesting is these are the same. So x squared plus 5x appears in both. I'm going to simplify that even further to write so that I see how I can make a difference of squares. So if I write this as x squared plus 5x plus 5, and then minus 1, and if I write this one as x squared plus 5x plus 5, and I need to add 1 plus 2019, I see here we've got a difference of squares. So this is going to simplify to x squared plus 5x plus 5 squared minus 1 squared plus 2019. So I'm going to do minus 1 squared plus 2019, leave this as it is, x squared plus 5x plus 5. So this is going to be plus 2018. And so keep the squared here. The smallest that this can be, since when you square a number, it's always going to be positive, I want to see if the smallest that this term can be is 0. So if I can prove that that term right there can equal 0, then the smallest term possible is going to be 0 plus 2018. So to see if there is a solution there, what we need to do is we're doing, so x squared plus 5x plus 5 times x squared plus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. So if I can prove that the discriminant is equal to 0, so if the discriminant is equal to 0, it means it has at least one real solution. If it's positive, it has 2 real solutions. If it's negative, it doesn't have any real solutions. So if I can just prove that either of these is 0, we're good. So x squared plus 5x plus 5 equals 0. So I look at the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. So b squared is going to be 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5, which is going to be 5. So since that's positive, there are 2 real solutions. Therefore, there's a solution where this can equal 0. So the smallest number of this is going to be 0 plus 2018, which is going to be 2018. So the answer is choice B.